Hey guys, another video on the HP OfficeJet 250 mobile printer. It's basically a printer with a battery that you can just use anywhere. You can use it in your car. A lot of adjusters use it. A lot of people that go out and make estimates use it. And if you're one of those and you're trying to make a copy on this one, this is another cool feature that it has. This is where the copy feeds into here, and it prints out from over here, and you probably know that so far. And basically this video I titled it lines on printed out copies. So if you're having lines that go across the page that drag all the way down from top to bottom, most likely you have something in this area right here. This is where the scanner bulb is in here. So as it feeds, you put the sheet down face down like so. So the printed page is going to be down, and it feeds right over that scanner bulb. And if it has something on it, this one is very clean, and I just made a copy and it's very good. But if yours makes a line, just go ahead and clean this right over this metal bracket here. That's where the glass is. So just go ahead and clean that. What I recommend doing for that is just a simple window cleaning solution. Works very well. So just take a paper towel piece. Do not ever spray any liquid in here into the printer. So just put some cleaning solution on the paper towel. You don't need much. And just kind of put it over your finger like this here, and just wipe it clean. Try to make it as small as possible so you don't leave any paper towel pieces in here. Like if it rips over here and it stays, and it can cause you some paper jams later. So just go ahead and clean that, and then wipe it down dry. Like so. Try to be very careful because these parts can break easy if you put force on it or something. If you're still having lines, or after you've cleaned it and you inspected it with a flashlight, that's what I like to do. Just put some light on it and make sure there isn't anything there. And if you do spot something basically white out or something like that, that's somewhere in here, just go ahead and clean that. If you weren't able to clean it with the paper towel and cleaning solution, window cleaner, just go ahead and use some alcohol swab, or put some alcohol on a paper towel and try to wipe it down. It could be a Sharpie, it could be a pen mark, less likely, but more like a marker or a Sharpie mark. And one of the most common ones with the copy and the fax feeders is the whiteout. Even though not many people use it today, but still it comes in here into these feeders sometimes. So check for that and then inspect it again, and you should be good to go. So hopefully I was able to help you with the issue that you had on your printer. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.